Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach you social class. First I am going to say some instruction. You should follow the instructions when I am teaching the class. You should be in mute. When I call you, you should be unmute and no disturbance in the class. Always camera should be on. Today's our topic is about Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji started to rule in 1296 by 1316. Alauddin declared himself the Sultan of Delhi after the death of Jalaluddin. According to Ibn Battuta, Moroccan traveler who visited India in the 13th century, Alauddin was considered as one of the greatest sultan who ruled Delhi. After Jalaluddin, his nephew Alauddin started to rule the Delhi Sultanate. According to a traveler from Morocco, according to a traveler Ibn Battuta, he considered that the Alauddin Khilji was a greatest sultan who ruled Delhi. Alauddin was a very successful ruler. He dreamed of establishing a worldwide empire like Alexander. He sent General Ulugh Khan and Nusrat Khan to conquer Gujarat in 1099 CE. From there, a large booty of gold and silver and other expensive things were collected. Means Alauddin is dreaming to capture all the India. How Alexander dream like that? For Alexander dream for worldwide, and like that Alauddin is dreaming for total India to capture. He sent some generals to Gujarat and conquer Gujarat. From there, a large booty of gold was collected. Booty means after winning the war, from the government treasury, the gold, silver and other expensive things are collected. After Alauddin conquered the Ratnambore, Mewar, Malwa, Jalor and other states of Rajputana by 1013 CE, he was practically able to conquer entire northern India. After conquering Gujarat, he started to conquer many other kingdoms in 1303. In 1303, he captured all the northern India. After Alauddin turned his attention towards South India and sent Malik Kafur and Enkaf to fight against the king Ramachandra of Devagiri. After defeating Ramchandra, his generals defeated the Telangana, Dwarasamudra and Pandyan kingdoms. The generals plundered the rich South Indian temples and brought back large booties of Delhi. Thus, Alauddin became a master of entire India. After conquering all the North India, he showed attention towards South India and started to send some generals and fight against Ramchandra of Devagiri. After defeating Ramchandra, he started to defeat Telangana, Dwarasamudra and Pandyan kingdoms. Pandyan kingdoms are located in the south and they conquer many parts. Pandyan kingdoms. So he directly conquered Pandyan kingdoms. So all the South India was conquered. As his dream, he became a master of India, entire India. Alauddin's biggest achievement was to successfully repel the Mongols' attack. After conquering all, he built Ali Darwaza, a masjid. He built Ali Darwaza. Alauddin, the biggest achievement was to successfully repel the Mongol attacks. These attacks started towards end of 1296 CE and continued up to 1308 CE. followed the policy of Balban and garnished the forts of western Phatans's new routes and repaired the workshops was set up to manufacture new weapons. These preparation has been desired effect and Alauddin trusted nobles and Jafar Khan and Malik Kafur offered Mongols such strong resistance that they did not dare to attack India after 1308. Mongols started to attack. Mongols started to attack from the starting of Slave Dynasty, and his one more biggest successful achievement was to stop the Mongol attacks. How Balban followed and keep the troops in different places. He followed that process only, and with that strong resistance and strong army, Mongols didn't dare to attack India. Alauddin Khalji was a brilliant strategist. His market policies and military strategies consolidate his empire, about which we shall learn afterwards. Alauddin was a brilliant strategist. Means if anyone is attacking to us, how they will attack, how we can stop their attack, and how we should attack to them. He has a brilliant ideas to conquer a place that we'll learn in fourth chapter. He established a city by the name of Siri Fort and built a fort around it, known as Siri Fort. He built a tank to maintain a continuous supply of water inside the city of Siri. The tank came to known as Hauj Khas. Means 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 he built a city named Siri, and he built Siri Fort. And in that he built a tank which maintained continuous water supply to the city people, and this tank came to be known as Hauj Khas. After the death of Alauddin Khilji in 1316, a war of succession broke out. Finally, an officer of Alauddin, Ghazni Malik, took over the throne and became the Sultan of Delhi. Ghazni Malik founded the Tughlaq dynasty. Means Alauddin, after the death of Alauddin Khilji in 1316, war of succession. Means his life was full of success. The war of succession broke out, and finally his officer, Alauddin officer Ghazni Malik, took over the throne and became the Sultan of Delhi. Ghazni Malik founded the Tughlaq dynasty. He founded Tughlaq dynasty. Means Alauddin Khilji was a last ruler of Khalji dynasty. In Khalji dynasty, there were only two rulers, Jalaluddin Khalji and Alauddin Khalji. After Ghazni Malik founded the Tughlaq dynasty, he is also known as Ghiazuddin. If any doubts are there, you can ask. If any doubts are there, you can ask.
Who is Ramachandra of Devagiri?
Devagiri is a kingdom. In that, Ramchandra is a king.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No, madam.
No.
Now I will ask some questions on Alauddin Khilji. I will ask some questions on Alauddin Khilji. Who said Alauddin Khilji is the greatest ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Who said Alauddin Khilji is the greatest ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Abhinay Shri. Abhinay Shri. Can anyone answer? Dheeraj.
Once again, question.
Who said Alauddin Khilji was a greatest ruler? Can anyone answer?
Shall I?
Yes.
Ibn Batatu.
Yes. Correct answer. And which city he built? Farhan.
Yes.
Which city he built? Alauddin Khilji, which city he built?
Okay, 1 minute. I am saying. Wait, Manha, 1 minute.
Yes. Can anyone answer?
Shall I?
No, Zara. Others should also get
I am
chance.
saying the Alia Darwaza.
City.
He built a fort.
Madam,
Yes.
he established a city.
Yes. Which city is that?
Sirifort.
Yes. Correct answer. What was his dream? Sai Chandra. Sai
What,
Chandra.
Manha? Madam, what, madam?
Alauddin Khilji dream.
No.
Madam, can I say?
If Sai Chandra can't, you.
Okay, madam.
His dream was to build a fort and city.
Madam, can I say?
Yes.
His dream was to establish a worldwide empire like Alexander.
Yes. Correct. He is from which dynasty?
Tughlaq dynasty.
What?
Tughlaq dynasty.
Shall I?
Khalji's dynasty.
Chinmay.
Yes, Manha. Yes, madam.
Alauddin Khilji, from which dynasty he is?
Shall I, madam?
After Chinmay, if she answer. If not, you.
He which in which? Once again, can you repeat question?
Alaluddin Khalji from which dynasty?
Can I answer, madam?
Yes.
Khalji dynasty.
Yes. Dheeraj.
Madam, I told na madam that answer Khalji dynasty. Before Sinmay I said na madam.
Dheeraj. Dheeraj, respond. Dheeraj. Dheeraj.
Is not responding, madam.
Zara.
Yes, madam.
Which process he followed to complete the attack of Mongols? To reveal the attack of Mongols? Whose process he followed?
Once again, question.
Whom process does he follow to reveal the attack from Mongols?
He followed the process of Balban. Ghiyasuddin Balban.
Yes, correct answer. Thank you. Thank you. What happened? Sir, finished.
Okay, Manha, very good. Nice